Hello, everybody, and welcome to Bukunmi Speaks Yoruba. My name is Bukunmi Araba, and of course, Bukunmi for short. And this channel is just a place for me to track my Yoruba progress. I am tired of not knowing the Yoruba language, not being able to understand the adages. I want to be able to speak and to speak fluently. I want to be able to hear and to hear fluently. I do want this to be an interactive thing. If you go to Bukunmi Speaks Yoruba at gmail.com in the next coming days, feel free to send in comments, new words, or maybe you want to schedule a conversation in Yoruba and we can bond over the language there. Yeah, so I'll be reading the Bible in Yoruba, having story time in Yoruba, and maybe even writing videos. Who knows? This channel is kind of um, in its baby phase, right? So as I do more, you will see more. Remain blessed, and I'll see you later. Odabo.